That's a square. Try the square. The square goes right here. Good job. Okay, Abby. Good job, Lex. That's a star. Do you remember where the star goes? Try in the middle, right there. Got it? Try it again. Try it again. Oh, keep trying. Keep trying. Oh. Keep trying. You need help? You did it. Good job. That's another star. Oh. Wanna try again? Okay. You ready? Put the top on. Goes like this. There we go. Oh, okay. You can do it that way too. That's easy. Alright. Can you find the blue circle? Where's the blue circle? Or an orange star. That's easy. You need Mommy's help? Lexi, will you sing that song with me? Abby, can you pause it real quick? Hey, Lexi, will you sing Twinkle? Lexi, will you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star with me? Okay, look at Mommy. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Look at Mommy. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the...
I'm trying to sing
No, you hush. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle.